right, I got you set up right against the rabbit cages. It is blowing and snowing. It was 50 degrees over like 8 o'clock this morning, and an hour and a half later it's snowing. So yeah, I'm gonna set you up and we're gonna do water, and then we'll do feed, and then I already did the chickens. They're pretty simple. So the last two, these are the guys that are like want to escape. That's why that net's with me. They don't need any food. These jokers here. Alright, so they're all done. So that's every day, and then every day, well, about once every 2 weeks we clean everything out and put all new bedding in for them. And this time of year they have a solid floor so that they don't get any airflow from the bottom. So I don't want them to be cold. Oh, and it's been cold this winter. So, but that's every day. Hey guys, so normally I don't show the rabbit feeding because I've done it before, but I wanted to show today because of what's coming up in the later part of this video is that we come out here every morning, feed these rabbits and water these rabbits, keep the waters unfroze, all that good stuff. New bedding, all that stuff. I didn't do any bedding. I'm not doing bedding today. But, you know, we raise these rabbits mainly for dog food. We do eat a little bit of it ourselves, but the rabbit is very lean. And the reason I'm showing this, and to get to the point, is we have a company that wants us to do a review on their vacuum seal bags, and that's how we preserve all our food. We grow, or I shouldn't say grow. We raise all of our food, almost 90% of our food, right here on the farm. So preservation is a huge, huge deal. So you'll see that in a couple seconds or minutes or whatever. But I'm going to go through now. We got to go do the goats. So, all right, catch you here in a second. Hey guys, Out of the Air has reached out to us to do a review / try out their vacuum sealer bags, and that's right up our alley. So they will be offering a 10% discount for a month from when this video airs. So here's what the box looks like. So check it out. And so anyways, you've watched me, you've watched us both feed our animals every single day. We feed and water and take care of them, help them birth, and ultimately some of them go to food, and that's what we raise our animals for. So we're very concerned, and one of the most important things we do on this farm is we preserve our food. You know, this isn't cash and carry. When we butcher several at a time. Then it all has to be preserved some way. And one of our main ways we do it is by vacuum sealing. All of our freezers are full of our food that we've raised right here on the farm with our loving hands. So anyways, so every day, like we get up, no matter if it's cold, hot, raining, snowing, sleeting, whatever it is, we get out there and take care of our animals. And it would be a disservice to them and to the hard work we put in if we were to just put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer and it get all freezer burnt and you have to throw it away. So, and even if you don't raise your own animals, grow your own crops, you still got to go and buy food at the grocery store, and that is, as everybody knows, outrageous these days. So, like I said, if you don't do that, then you got to preserve that food also, because it's too expensive just to be thrown away because you've not taken care of that food. So, like I said, we use probably vacuum bags more than anything. Even though sitting over there in the corner we have 2 freeze dryers, we like our vacuum bags and everything frozen. So, and if you hear the humming, we've gone to the trouble. The humming is coming from behind you. We have solar with battery backup. That's how much we really care about our food. So, like I said, they have sent us these bags. They've got the pre-made bags, and then we have rolls of bags. It's like this. They sent us several different sizes, and they sent us this Food Saver, or this Food Saver sealer. They do not make the sealer. They just sent that to us to use in this little demonstration. So, but I will say the Food Saver came with bags, which everybody knows, right? And you can't tell the difference between the food saver bags and the out of air bags. So
just to look at them.
Just to look at them. What's really nice about the out of air bags is the large area to write what it is and what day you put it in there. So, yes.
I'm excited to try these bags. We just butchered rabbits. Well, he butchered rabbits. Not because I can't, but I was baking. So we're going to seal a rabbit in the out of air bags. And then I have some hearts and livers of the rabbits that look good. And I use these for dog food. We eat the rabbit, and it also goes to dog food. So let's give these bags a try. Oh gosh. Gonna click that on moist, and wonder if it seals automatically. Goodness. Interesting. Look how that pulses. The seal is good.
Bam, we got a
very nice.
delicious rabbit.
And it says these are no smudge to write on, so let's check it out. So this was processed March 1st. And that does write nice. I do like the nice wide strip. And I don't know if this is made on the rolls of bags, if it's just like the food saver bags along the side, or if it has this wide thing. But there you go. There's one rabbit. Now let's try these. This is a little pint bag. They sent us some pre-made ones. Oh, nope. My bad. Sorry.
Whoopsie.
Please hold. Alright. I don't know if you put them together.
Done.
Nice seal on that. Did suck up some of the juice, but that's to be expected with wet ingredients. But this, I'll write on this and throw this in the freezer, and I'll save this for dog food in a couple of weeks. But yeah, very nice bags. Outofair.com. Check them out. Morning, girl. Yeah. Oh.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Come on. Go. skinny coming out in this stuff. I don't need to. Hey, Delilah. What's up, Peaches? You're like, yeah, I don't want to be out there. I don't blame you. I don't want to be out here either. Where's your boyfriend? Is he in there hiding with you? You guys snuggled up. All right, well, I'm going to get you some hay. Break it. Jesus. Dodged a bullet there. Holy shit. All the time. Everyone, I guess I should say ladies, but Charlie, you're not a lady. All right, enough with the slapping horns. Yeah, you don't need to be slapping horns. Plenty to go around.